What's up, everybody? Welcome to Let's Make Dinner, your audio library of amazing dinner recipes you can get on the table any night of the week. I'm your host, Susie Weinrich. All right, we're going to do things a little bit different today. We're actually not going to share a dinner recipe. I'm going to go over how to make seasoned oyster crackers. You may have also heard of these as ranch crackers or dill ranch crackers, seasoned oyster crackers. They have lots of different names. It's kind of an old-fashioned recipe where you take a ranch packet, oyster crackers, oil, and some herbs, mix them all together, bake them, and they turn out to be the crispiest, most delicious, addictive little crackers ever. They are excellent to have in your house during like the holiday season, during the fall, just little snack crackers, great football food, little munchies. You're going to love it. So let's get right into the recipe. All right, we're going to start by making that seasoning mixture. So you start with about 3/4 cup of oil. You just want a non-flavored cooking oil like vegetable oil, canola oil, or olive oil, or a mixture will work great. Then you want a 1-ounce package of ranch dressing mix. So this is just a ranch seasoning mix. I like the Hidden Valley brand the very best. I think it has the most consistent flavor that people are used to. Then you're going to add in 2 teaspoons of dried dill weed, 1.5 teaspoons of celery salt, and then 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Then you want to go ahead and just whisk all of that together so there's no clumps. Everything is smooth and mixed together. Now you're going to add in the oyster crackers. You want 2 packages of oyster crackers, and they should come in 9-ounce packages. So you just need 2 of those. No brand specific. You can see I just got the store brand here. And add those right into that oil seasoned mixture. Then you're going to want to take a spoon or a spatula and give it a really good stir. You want to make sure that all of that seasoning and all of that oil coats all of the crackers. So make sure you're scraping from the bottom up. Then grab your largest rimmed baking sheet, pour all of that out onto the baking sheet, and you're going to want to kind of zhuzh this all so that it's in one flat layer. Then you're going to take this and put it in a 250-degree oven for about 15 minutes. And halfway through the baking process, I usually like to take a spatula or something and kind of flip the crackers while they're baking so they all get nice and golden. You'll be able to hear it here. That's it. They're all done. So easy, so simple, come together like that, and it's a fun, unique snack cracker that you can have hanging around your kitchen that people can snack on. I'm gonna, oh. So good. The ranch and the dill are like right up front. And then the celery salt just kind of balances everything out. These are so good. They'll be gone in a flash in your kitchen. So I'm going to let these cool down for just a little bit longer, and then I'll put them in airtight containers. Of course, they're best day of or, next day or the next day. But they should be good in your kitchen for 5 to 7 days. Keep them in that airtight container and let people just scoop out a little bit and snack on it whenever they want. So I hope that you give these a try in your kitchen and they help you feel like a success at snack time. We'll see you next week.